Equally as important as being able to search the library for scholarly books is knowing how to utilize library databases to find academic journal articles. Through PACE libraries, you have access to approximately 200 databases that cover a wide range of topics. For this video, I will show you how to successfully navigate one of these databases to find the academic journal articles you need for your research assignment. Begin your search by heading over to the PACE Library website. The website can be found at the following URL, library.pace.edu. Once you're on the library homepage, find the Databases tab located between the Journal Title and Reserves tabs in our main centralized search box. The Databases tab is the place where you can access our full list of over 200 library databases, as well as search for those databases by subject and by name alphabetically. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will show you how to use a specific database, Academic Search Ultimate. This is a mega database that includes articles from almost every academic discipline. It's a great database to start with when doing academic research. Click on the A under Alphabetically. On the next page, scroll until you find Academic Search Ultimate. Click on that link. Before we conduct a search in Academic Search Ultimate, it's important to briefly point out the major components of what's called an advanced search. This type of search is different than most other basic searches because it allows you to combine search terms, or keywords, and provides a set of filters to narrow your search results based on relevancy to your topic. The first part of an advanced search allows you to combine search terms to make your search results more relevant to your needs. It's important to understand that library database research takes some trial and error to get the best and most relevant results. You can start by understanding the difference between the three Boolean operators, or three connector words, and, or, and not. And is useful if you want to combine two search terms or phrases and narrow your results to only articles containing both search terms. For example, if you're researching the environmental impacts of tourism, you might do an advanced search for tourism and environment. This way, articles containing both keywords together are generated. Or and not are also Boolean operators, but are used less frequently than and. For more information on Boolean operators, check out the infographic on the Keywords and Searching tab of your library course guide. Using and, let's try a combined search for the keywords tourism and food. Sometimes additional keywords will generate in the drop-down menu that are related. For example, cuisine or culinary or food. This can help you find more relevant articles just with different keywords if you struggle to find enough articles with your initial keyword. This search generated over 5,000 results, which is a huge number to sift through. We can narrow this search by the filters located on the left-hand side of the web page. First and foremost, we want to limit our search results to peer-reviewed articles. You can also scroll down a little further and limit your search results to academic journals under source types. You can also limit your search results by publication year, language, subject, geography, and many other filters. After choosing these initial filters, scroll through the first page or two of search results. Are there any keywords or subject headings sticking out to you? Reading through the subjects associated with a particular article can help you generate more keywords and search combinations. For example, I might see that food tourism is used in the case of this article as a single phrase. This seems more relevant to my topic and what I want to research. When beginning a new search with this kind of keyword phrase, make sure you put it in quotation marks. This way, you're asking the database to search food tourism as a single phrase, as opposed to searching for food and tourism as individual search terms. At this point, you may also want to think about the who, what, and where of your research topic. Is there a particular country or group of people you want to research? a particular region maybe, or a certain place. Any of these things would be great keywords to combine with your main search term to narrow down your search. In this example, I'm searching food tourism in combination with Thailand. We get 8 results, which is a rather low number, but a good number to work with when supplementing with other scholarly materials. Now that we've conducted a few searches using Academic Search Ultimate, you've likely stumbled upon an article or two you're interested in using. To view the article record, click on the title link. Here, you will find important information about the article's publication, contents, and how to access it, either by PDF, HTML full text, and/or by another link. If you want to save and/or cite an article, please be sure to email it to yourself here, and it will send a full MLA citation for you, along with the item record link and the PDF of the article, if one is available. Make sure you save any and every article that's interesting to you. You don't want to be writing your paper and use a factoid from a source that you didn't save or don't have. Just as a reminder, this citation generator is also an algorithm that generates a citation automatically in most citation styles, like MLA, APA, and Chicago Turabian. However, always double check this generated citation against a style guide or with a librarian to make sure that it's fully correct. If you have any questions after viewing this tutorial or come across any while doing your own searches, please feel free to email your course librarian and/or use the virtual chat feature to talk to a librarian directly.